sneeze. Oi, you could probably show up your butt. I'm having breakfast outside. It's really nice. Still, I think we've had like 3 weeks of really good weather. So yesterday I went to bed at 8. I was so tired, and then I slept for about 12 hours. I feel really relaxed today. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do today. God, I love this weather. And don't forget your SPF when you're outside. When I lived in Stockholm when I was 18, I hated it. Like, I really hated Stockholm back then, and I told myself that I'm never gonna go back. I'm never gonna move to Stockholm again, ever, because I hated it so much. And after 5 years in shopping, I kind of changed my mind. I don't know if it was because I had so many friends up here, or if it was for work or whatever, and I love being close to the forest and to the nature and everything, because I gain so much energy from it, and I think it's very nice. I'm going to the gym. I'm very turquoise. Now I've been to the gym for about 1.5 hours, and I wanted to talk to you about the gym, because when I was younger, the gym was all about, you know, getting in shape and look good, and it's not like that anymore. The gym is actually helping me a lot with my stress, anxiety, and like my mental health overall. And because when I go to the gym, I just, you know, just shut down everything and just focus on being there. And also because I suffer from a disease that makes me really tired and my body hurts a lot, so it's important for me to actually do exercise on basically on a daily basis. But I don't do that. But when I'm at the gym, I always feel so much better afterwards. I feel like I get a lot of energy in my body. The stress disappears a lot, and I just feel so much better, even if I'm there just for half an hour. Everybody is going to the gym for different reasons, but I really want you to think about like how it can help you with your mental health, with your stress and everything. It can be hard to go to the gym. Like, it's not that fun all the time. But when you get this reward afterwards, that you actually feel so much better, like in soul and body, it's so worth it. And I just feel like it feels like the gym is my new best friend. Now I'm gonna go get a package because I have some clothes arriving from Nelly. Such a big package. Fun, Linus. Linus, can you help me film? First out is this navy blue dress. It is really short. I'm also very short, so this actually works for me, but if you're taller and wear the smallest size, you will probably show up your butt. So this is the third dress. It's navy blue. I would probably style it with a belt because I think it's a little bit too long. Otherwise it's very nice and comfy. It's very flowy, which I like, and I love these arms that are a little bit wider. And this is the bag. It's like the coolest bag. And we have the shoes. that are super cool to style, like with a cute dress or like shorts. The last dress is a white dress. I'm not sure why I ordered this one. Probably because I thought I would be comfortable or somehow make something different with a white dress. Maybe I can style it a little bit more cool, in a cool way. Then we have this blouse that I really like. It has a lot of straps everywhere. I think I made it, no. I don't know if I did it the right way. Like a wrap thing, but I don't know. I think it looks really nice. It's very cute. And then I have the shoes, which I like a lot. They're very simple and nice, and the shorts are old. So I guess that was it. I'm in love with the bag. It's my favorite thing. And also I really love these shoes. So they are really cute and very easy to wear. The white dresses, I don't really know about it. Maybe I'm just gonna send it back. What do you guys think? I just made a video and this happened. I have powder all over the floor and over my feet. This is my first attempt of eating something that I can actually chew. It hurts so bad still. My teeth are really, really sore. I think I just have to, like, no. Today I've done nothing yet, but we are going out tonight. We're going to my friend's place called Publico to have some drinks, have something. I lisp a bit now because I have like a lot of wax inside because I think I've been lying weird on my face tonight because my cheek was all, you know, sore in the morning. Also, I got herpes on my lip. Like, my body decided to hate me. So like, why not give her herpes as well? I'm gonna meet up some friends and I'm actually not the kind of person who goes out. So it's gonna be exciting because I'm that kind of girl who stays home and I leave early because I'm so tired. We are on our way to meet up with my brother and with Aya. It's gonna be a good night. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna go to town to see Stockholm Marathon because my friend is running the marathon and it's gonna be fun. And then after we're going to a surprise party for my other friend who's turning 28. I'm excited! Bang, 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 bang! And she did it! Cheers! I think it's so cool that you actually run 42 kilometers.
It was in 4 hours.
It was
and 18.
so fucking hot.
Yeah?
Like 29 degrees. Is that right?
Yeah.
I can think.
It's crazy. I would never, ever, ever. No. Just no. How can people do this? Good morning guys! So, oj vad just så. So this morning I started with a vaccine that I'm supposed to take now before my Bali trip. So, tastes like sugar. It's sunny outside today as well. Maybe we're gonna have a little barbecue. And I'm gonna go to the gym. So I guess I'm off to the gym, but I'm not gonna bring my camera this time because it's Sunday and usually there's so much people at the gym and I don't really wanna do that. You were thinking about a barbecue today. I love Sundays actually. Do you like Sundays? I actually like them because I feel like I can do nothing on Sundays. Sundays are very nice. I'm gonna make hamburgers from this vegan minced meat. This is like the best thing in the whole world. And I'm gonna mix it together with barbecue oil with garlic and smoky hickory. And also some seasoning. And I promise you guys, if you try these, it will be like the best hamburgers you've ever tried in your life. I'm not even lying. Okay, so the rain started pouring down and Linus is trying to fetch the cats. Oh, he's so scared. It's Monday again. I didn't really vlog the last 2 days because I didn't really do anything interesting at all. All of my weeks, they look so different. I really hope you enjoyed this video and this long vlog. I hope you enjoyed hanging around with me, and tell me if you want to have another vlog, another week when I'm doing something interesting. Maybe I'm gonna do a Bali vlog. I'm going to Bali in 2 weeks, like from this day, which is gonna be so much fun. I wish you all the best. See you next time. Bye guys.